Today I'm going to use Excel form, which is make easy to insert data into the table. So first of all, I'm gonna to use table header, first name, last name, phone number, address, and also email ID. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna to use table from here. Okay, now just click on here, go to file, option, custom ribbon, and custom commands not in ribbons. Okay, now use just click and press F so that you will find form this one. Okay, now first of all gonna to create new tab. Okay, give a name like that form data entry form data entry. Okay, done. Now click here and now add the form. Okay, now click OK. You will find here form data entry. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, just click here, select form here to E, and now click on form data entry and click on form. You will see a new form window. Now just enter the data, just like I'm gonna to use joy daddy. Okay, I'm gonna to say tally, done. Click again, gonna to insert, address, email ID, click on new, okay, click on new and close it. You will see the data of recently inserted into the form, right? That's so easy to do it. You wanna again insert the data into it, so just click on first name and select to email and click on form data entry, again use form. Now you can use a new one, or just like you have to just use the cursor to down so that you can insert the new data. Again you have to use like we have there Josie, phone number and address, Mumbai, email ID gmail.com and click on new. So again we have a new record Dev Joshi. So you can use basically just create a new form and insert the data, so that easy to insert basically to use. Okay guys, thanks for the watching these videos. Thanks, bye.